If my mind is a servant of nature, it's an amazing blessing with all the scientific breakthroughs and all the stuff that we can do and build and think about. But if my mind becomes a disconnected, what I call a helicopter mind, that is flying on top of nature, it becomes a weapon. And I think right relation is also healing, that we can think about many things that we cannot live. I can know a lot of things, but it doesn't mean that that's my development. My development is what I can live. We call it walk our talk. And I believe that that relation, but if I start to listen to those mechanisms, it looks like very polarized, but actually in the same room, there is a movement that wants to come together, because those parts in us and in our society actually want to heal. And I believe we can become midwives. Good facilitation work is not that I bring my idea what should be. No, I bring a capacity to listen to the inherent forces of the system. And I'm able to become a partner of that which wants to heal, but is kind of frozen in space and time.